If you're looking for a reliable and professional home inspection service, well, you've come to the right place.
Hey, good morning. This is David with Selman Home Inspections. Just wanted to point out a simple maintenance type of thing that can be easily remedied. But these attic stairs, if you have an attic stair at the interior of your house, either in a hallway or anywhere else, that attic stair really should be insulated to prevent the loss of air conditioning going through that. The other thing is, on these, there should be 16D or larger nail in all four corners. Drywall screws are not sufficient to withstand the weight of a person carrying anything up there. So two things, just make sure those attic doors are insulated, and make sure for safety that they have the proper fasteners installed in all four corners. Thanks, and have a great day.
No matter what type of home inspection you need done, you can count on us. Call or email one of our friendly staff now to schedule your home inspection.